I was destroyed for trying to save this planet. Jamaica, I have risen faster, stronger, more powerful. Pathogen. With greater powers to destroy your world. Not if I can help it. You can't. Humanity will be judged by the same system they created.